This is absolutely crazy. You can build your sales page, build your delivery page where you're going to put your course, whatever that thing is that you're creating. You can set up the meta, set up your pixels, set up your tracking, set up the payment processor, have AI write your email for you, and even create your social media content calendar, your ads, engagement post, the works. And give you the actual product that you get to sell, that you get to deliver to your customers and your clients. This is PageWheel, guys. This is PageWheel right here. We're going to go in, we're going to create a product together in just seconds. You get to brand your product. After you put your branding on it, then you get to change the colors, put your name on it. If you're wondering what name to give it, AI will actually come through and title your product for you. When you've got your cover and everything designed, then you can come in and you can add different pages. So you can see here, I already added some pages already, but you can go in, click add a page, and then AI will literally go and make your content for you. And you don't have to design the pages. You don't have to write the pages. You just get to edit this and make it yours. If at any time when you're creating these pages, you don't like the words that are on it, you can go up to the top and ask AI to rewrite the page for you. So you can go in here and say your perfect content plan, and then AI will actually rewrite the entire page of content for you. It is super fun and super cool to see how fast and easy AI works for you, so you don't have to work as hard. Once your digital product is exactly the way you want it so that you can give it, sell it away, grow your list with this. Once you have your digital product, you just go up and click looks good next. You'll see it's put into a beautiful book for you. Then you're going to see it's going to give you a download link where you can download it and stick it on Etsy or Amazon, but also is going to create a sales page for you. Now I can use this product that I created and I can use it to generate leads, to put into a mini course. There it is. It's on the website. It's ready for me. If I don't like the wording, go up here and change the wording. We're here to help you not just create your product, but also put it onto a sales page. Put it into a thank you page so that your audience can get the product and the classes that you're going to be teaching. Put it into a website, host that website for you, write the emails for you, hook those all up so your customers, when they purchase, get what you signed up for. And we even create your social media content plan. This system right here is inside PageWheel. When you're in, you can come up to the top. You can see who signed up for your product, your program. You can download that list or hook up Zaps and have that sent straight into your CRM. We have everything you need to begin growing your audience and growing your business as you grow your list.